Welcome back to the channel. A little better weather today. At least the wind's not blowing so badly, so it's not too bad, especially dressed up. Today, we're going to work on getting these hubs rebuilt. Stick around. Welcome back. Today, as we said before, it's how to get these hubs rebuilt. Now, I've got one already stripped bare. Got the shells and everything knocked out of it. Need to wipe it out, get it clean. This one's ready to put new bearings in and the seal. This one, as you can see, still has the bearings and the seal in it, and it needs blasted. So we'll get this one built, we'll get it painted, and we'll get this one tore down, and then we'll take it to work and put it through our media blaster and at least knock most of the junk off of it like I did that one. We'll get some paint on them. I'm waiting on a new nut kit for the reattach these to the spindles, or I guess you would call them spindles. Anyway, and get these back on the axle. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get new studs. These are 9/16 or English, I should say, SAE. While the front is going to be an SD60 Ford, so those are going to be the metric. The later 14 bolts also switched to metric. So I think I may switch these out, but I'm unsure at the moment. Gotta make sure they're all good. If they're all good, I may reuse them, because I do have to run a spacer back here to equal the distance up front, because the SD60 is wider. So it really doesn't matter what these are, because they're going to be on spacers anyway. But I assume if I buy spacers, they're going to come with matching lug nuts, which make it, there's a whole conversation going on there in my head. Not surprising. But anyway, so today, let's start with getting this one tore down. And then we'll start reassembling this one. And we'll get it painted. Alright, first thing to do is I get the seal out of here. See how hard that's going to be. Last one popped out pretty easily, but we'll see. Work it out this way. I'm going to probably have to juice her out of there. Trying to get this to hook in, but it keeps tearing out on me. Yada. There's the gauger spring. Seal. See if it pop out of here.
A few minutes later.
Okay, I finally got it with the screwdriver. Got the nasty old thing popped out of there. Bearing came with it. Get this mess cleaned up. Don't need any of those. Grease here. Now we need to get these bearings out of here. Let's see, the outside one does fit kind of backwards. It doesn't come out this way. Everything goes out the inside. So I'll start with knocking this outer ring out. Oh, I forgot about that. There's a snap ring in there. So, let me go find my snap pliers. Be right back.
A few moments later.
I can't find my right size to fit in there. I actually need to buy a better set. Mine were kind of cheap anyway. Get some nice ones to go in there. But anyway, so we'll get that clip removed. We'll get those knocked out. I can do that at work. Get this blasted. So that means we're done for that one for now. So reassembly is going to be outer, clip, range outer, then seal. Now these are the bearings that came out of this one. Left these. I cleaned them all up so I can match them up against these. Make sure I ordered the right ones. If my internet search was correct, I do have the right ones. Let's wipe this out. Make sure there's nothing in there. And grinding dust and everything should have been out of it. It's been washed, but it didn't hurt. Make sure. First would be this going in that way. Need to get some grease. I'll put some grease on it. And ideally, I should probably pack these. But maybe I'll be back. I think I'll make a run to the parts store because I don't have enough grease.
And now we short intermission.
Okay, at the store. It's spray clean, fresh tub of wheel bearing grease. Get this bearing packed. Here's the old bearings, new bearings. This thing packed up in here. Good. I can't remember the last time I packed up bearings. Been a minute or two, hey Mav? Yep. Pretty much everything. Now, obviously I need to take care of this. Let me hit with the flap wheel, smooth her down a little bit. Okay, couldn't find my soft punch, so I just used my copper hammer. Just taps it around the edge. She's fully seated. Turn that off. There. Reset the side of that. Start packing this one.
"12 seconds later."
Cobra hubs and an IRS in the back. So that's hubs. Leave that up for grease on this. Anything else, keep it from rusting. It's already all over my hands. Alright. Get old hands off here. Grease off. Put this up. I won't be needing the rest of that today. I'll take my last clean cloth, pass this stuff off. Give myself a seal. Let's see. There's the seal. So that does one hub. Where's my last box? This stuff blows away. Let's wipe this edge off. Make sure it's good and clean, because I don't want to tape it off. There's a cut in my thumb. Clean that off, tape it up. I'm going to tape this off. Oh, I forgot my tape inside. So, give me a minute. My tape. I swore I heard something run around behind me. The dogs are in the house. Well, they better be. This off. Right down there. And there. On the end of my tape. Just for the cat hair. best way to do this. Get your edge defined. Take your hammer tap around your edge. You don't need to beat on it. Just enough to cut the edge of that tape. And it pulls right off. Leaves you a clean edge. Painting. Just like that. Thumb around it one more time. That's that side. Same over on this side. In this case, I want to cut inside that edge for the seal. So I'm just taking what little fingernail I have, again defining my edge. And then taking my pocket knife and cutting it. Like that. So at this point in time, she's ready for some paint. Well, I'm going to wash my hands so they're clean. Wash this thing down one last time with the clean cloth, and we'll shoot it with some matte black. So I'm going to wash my hands. I'll be right back. All right. Hands are clean. Just lightly spray that off. Dab off the rest with the rag here. Guess I could blow it off the air hose, but it'll evaporate. There's that edge. Don't spray the tape too much, it will soften the glue up. That cleans that up. She's ready for paint. Just gonna let my paint in the house. No worries. I've got it right here. But I'll set this up and over. Up and over here on my painting table. Thanks for a ride, gentlemen, ladies. Get the stupid paint can off. Yeah, just grip here. There it goes. Get that out in the middle here. I should get some sunlight. There we go. Wind's starting to pick up. Fire pit. The dog can play with the glass paint cap. And there's our first coat of paint. So let's let that set. And we'll put another coat on it and let it set overnight. Lost my train of thought there. I'll get another coat on there and then let it sit overnight. We'll flip it, or later on the night I'll flip it and get the other side done. Tomorrow night we'll get it at least stuck on one end of this axle, and we'll start on the second one. But anyway, that's just a repeat of what we've done here, and you've now just seen all that. Oh well. Alan's Garage. Hope you like what you see. Please like, subscribe, comment below. Hope you all had a good weekend. We'll see you next weekend. Anyway, this is Alan's Garage. Hope you like what you see. Please like, subscribe, comment below. Hope you all have a good weekend. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.